Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove selected people from image in Adobe Photoshop 2025. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image. Now in image you see two person. So we are going to remove it from this image. So this person will stay and other two person will remove from image, and then you see on left side remove tool, so click on it. Now select remove tool. Now remove tool selected, and then you see brush. Now you see brush, and then you see people. Now select. Now you see, so we are selecting two people by using brush. Now you see selected, and then you see person removed from image. Now undo, and then we are going to set brush size. Now on top you see size 77, so you can change size according to requirement. Now you see 34, so it's up to you. Now select again. Now you see 2% removed from image in Adobe Photoshop, and then you can save this image. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.